that there nice view. Hello, Samantha. Oh, look at those people up there. Can we zoom? Does it work? No, it doesn't. Okay. And down there, down below, down on the streets.
Oh no, is this not
All the peasants. But even if I did, come here, Rose.
It's terrible. You could have dropped it.
Come on.
Bad boy.
Alright. Yes, I know I'm fucked at my face looking. Ah, shouldn't have swore. Damn it. Spoil the video by swearing. No. Ah well. Well, you're allowed one. A wee slip up. I do not always swear.
Do?
You swear all the time.
I do not.
You do too. Rubbish. Aye, only once. I've only been the radio once, granted. And as we head around the big enormous bell tower. Yes, it is miles in the flipping air, and we climbed all the steps. No lifts here.
412 steps.
412 steps. As we go round.
Can you just lay down that way?
Like bargaining and stuff, isn't
Here's a
That's the Duomo Square, Piazza del Duomo. Where's the central station then? Near that way?
Yeah, that's it there.
Hotels. Thereabouts? That big green thing now?
I see what that green grass?
Aye.
Is that not the station there? Have you just up there? Where's that?
Over there where Sam is pointing is apparently one's hotel. And as we head round, there's the castle. Wish I could zoom in this flipping video. See, I said flipping.
What's that building there?
Thereabouts.
See that one by itself?
Over there where the orangey things are?
No, like over. It's kind of green.